Bubba Shucks is back at you again, working on the Excalibur sword, or at least my version of Excalibur. I'll probably change it into something else soon, you know. See where I done screwed that in. Had to grind it down a little bit, but it's the beginning stages, you know. Let's ask Mike and Jermaine what they think about it. Mike, what you think about it?
I think it's good, man.
Cool. What Jermaine think about it? Jermaine like, I don't care. Man, let's ask the family. What up, Jackson 5? What y'all think about that blade? They posing for pictures. I guess we can't really ask them, you know? All we can do is be who we are, right? I got the fans going because it's kind of hot tonight. Yeah, dig. But, let's say hey to Joe and Mama Jackson. Hey, Joe and Mama Jackson, what happening with y'all? Man, they having fun standing there. Ain't that something? That's what I'm talking about. A happy family. Alright, y'all. Excalibur. Man, this sword, I mean, it feels really good, you know, in the hand, the handle, and all that. You know, once I still got a lot of work to do. I'm still pondering ideas. You feel me? But, we gonna get it together, baby. Alright. Bubba Shucks.